Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So recently we picked up one of those mattress in a box from Zinus. Now you may have seen that video. Now the quality was actually, pretty good. We have other mattresses, but it wasn't as plush as we really thought from reading the reviews. But we wanted to see, we don't really want to return it because we've heard that could be a real pain. So let's figure out what other options. Well, looking at some memory foam toppers, we came across the Recci brand, and they have a couple different versions of it. There's a 2-inch version, there's a 3-inch version, as well as a 4-inch. Now we went with the 3-inch, which sells for about $150 or so, but the 4-inch, if you're really looking for more comfort, that may be it. But the 4-inch is actually 2 inches of memory foam and then 2 inches of comfort foam. And I think the comfort foam is actually a little bit firmer, so that's why we went with the 3-inch, because we're really looking for a softer feel on the mattress. So right now we're going to take a look and see actually what's in the box of the king size memory foam topper by Recci.
So when you order online, it's going to arrive. Ours came in a bigger box, but this is the box inside the box right here. This is the king size, and they have all different sizes, everything from twin all the way up to king, and ours is the king size, which we were looking for. So open up the box here, not really that much. Looks like almost the same way they pack, mattresses and stuff. And cool thing about this, it is 3-inch pure memory foam, 100%. Has a removable and washable cover, I believe, and it's actually a bamboo viscose cover. So it got that bamboo, and it supposedly works with, to help cooling. So we're going to figure that out as well as being pressure relieving. So this on top of the mattress in a box, which is also memory foam, hoping that this really provides a much better night comfort and sleep. Now I will say that this brand, they do offer a couple different versions like I mentioned earlier. So this one has about a 4.3 rating on Amazon of over 600 reviews, so that's pretty good right there. So that's why we're really looking forward to checking this out and putting it on the mattress and hoping we're getting a way better sleep with it. So this definitely uses the same idea of how they roll up the mattresses, the different companies. So this is all compressed in the box, all rolled up. So you're going to want to undo the plastic just like this. And you can see it's already going to unroll. Don't hear it yet? A little bit. I want to get an idea of what it looks like. There's some packed silica gel. I really like the cover on it, and some of the other ones that we've seen online, it's just the straight memory foam, and I don't know, there's no topper on it. It's kind of weird. Or there's ones that look like that traditional egg crate look, which is also really weird, and did not want to sleep on that. This, just like this, feels, oh man, that feels awesome. And I know it's rolled over. Oh, I'm really looking forward to this. This is great. And it has a real cool design. So let me go ahead, finish opening this up before it starts expanding even more. Open this up. That's pretty cool. So you can kind of see like the little design they have on it. And again, that's that Visco bamboo cover. It's really soft, and supposedly you can take it off and wash it. Has a little bit of like a new smell to it, nothing that's overpowering. And I saw some other people mention it, that it goes away, but like any of these products that have been in a bag and through freight, you're going to have that just a little bit. So I'm really not worried. It's nothing that's overpowering. Go ahead, open that up. Another really cool feature here, kind of hard to see, but on the bottom, it's almost like a little bit of a grippy feel. So the thing's not going to move all over the place, which is even better, because I would hate that. You put the memory foam thing there, and then it's all over. And again, we went with the 3-inch, and this is getting a little bit bigger. This is probably about 2 inches right now, but just like feeling like that. That feels great. I'm really looking forward to this. Alright. Also in the box, I didn't use it because I didn't see it, fell out on the bed, but it does have, it looks like a letter opener, but it's a cutter, like a safety cutter for the plastic. Wish I knew that. Could have did it much easier. And then it has their all their warranty and information here about bed use and all that fun stuff. Let's go ahead. So I'm gonna wait for this. obviously to expand a little bit more before I show you really what it looks like, because it's coming up short, but there's a lot of room here, you know, in the actual protector. So that's fine. And I understand it's under, you know, a lot of pressure, and we have like these little points of where it was rolled up. So that's going to take some time to really air out or get air into it to really open up a lot. But just in general, you can see it, I don't know, it feels awesome just like that. So just got to wait till this really folds down a little bit more, which is already starting to do. And we'll come back in a little bit to see actually what it looks like. And then we'll get the bed all set up, and I'll lay on it and let you know what the initial feeling is like. Now, while waiting to this to fully expand, you know, they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for 100% satisfaction. So if you're not satisfied with it, I'm sure you can go through Amazon or go through them to return the product. And they'll, you know, it says just contact them. They'll give you a full refund if you're not happy with it. And also, this does come with a 10-year warranty for quality-related issues. So that's great too. Another thing that you don't have to worry about. Now, it's not going to be covered if you're sitting on it with a pocket knife and cutting the thing open. But if it's a quality issue where something starts to fall apart, then they're going to stand behind it and back it up. Okay, so this has been sitting for a few hours now since opening it up, and it looks pretty well expanded. Now, they do say that it could take up to 48 hours to be fully expanded, and if you see any creases or anything, you can gently pull on it or, you know, push on it to kind of like, you know, press them down. But all the ones that I saw, besides the covering here, which can just be moved easily, have all flattened out. And this is actually really, really nice. If you can see that with the traditional memory foam hand thing, if you can kind of see. Really good response. But the biggest thing is sometimes they say like, hey, this is 3 inches or 2 inches, and it's like nowhere close. So I just wanted to go ahead and measure that and check that out. Look, it's pretty much right on 3 inches. That's awesome. So that's 100% pure memory foam, and then on the outside you have the removable and washable bamboo visco cover, and this will also help, you know, with cooling and everything. So that's really cool. And that other thing on the bottom there, if you can kind of see, has like those grippies, so it's really not going anywhere on the bed. Well, let's go ahead and lay on it and see what it feels like. Oh, that's nice. I need a pillow. That is really nice. Totally conforming. If I can get a good shot. Totally conforming to my body. It's great if we can kind of see that. This is going to make such a big difference compared to what the pillow top or plush feel was on that bed in a box that we got. This is like night and day. And I'm really, really happy that I did the 3-inch. Would the 2-inch be okay? Probably. I mean, depending on how much of a plush feel that you want. But this 3-inch, oh, this is nice. Oh, this is going to be great. Totally great. I love this. And I really can't wait for you to tune in to the review. I'm going to shoot that in about a week or so and let you know really how this has been performing, how sleep has been with this now on top. But this right here is the Recci 3-inch memory foam topper on the king size bed. Again, the link is below if you just want to go ahead and check it out. But make sure to like and subscribe. Wait till that review comes up. But I'm ready for some really comfy sleep. Oh, this feels great. And the other thing is, just real quick, I am a stomach and side sleeper just like my wife, so that's going to play into a big thing. Oh, this is nice. Bye.